Joel Embiid trolls Kevin Durant. Hey, thanks for tuning into the Fumble. For more awesome sports news and commentary, make sure you click subscribe and join the notification squad for updates on all the latest. I'm your host, Britt Johnson. Over the weekend, your boy Kevin Durant made a total fool out of himself when he responded to a question a fan asked, but talked about himself in third person. He quickly deleted the reply, which made things even odder. Thanks to the quick thinking of the fan that sent the tweet, he screenshotted it before KD deleted it and then posted it for all the world to see. Because of the third person talk and the quick delete, one can only assume that Kevin Durant has a fake account which he uses to write things to fans and stick up for himself without anyone knowing. This time he accidentally did it on his main account, so do you guys think KD has a spoof account or not? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so part 2 of this story is where Joel Embiid comes in. And if Kevin Durant is the prince of trolls, Joel Embiid would be considered king. This guy has been known to just say it like it is. He's a troll, he's petty, and he's shady all in one, and I, for one, love it. Monday afternoon, Joel Embiid took a page out of the KD handbook and tweeted this: Joel Embiid is better than MJ ever was. #facts. Now, you might have noticed the tag on that tweet and wondered, who is that guy? Well, after some digging, it seems as though that the account is Kevin Durant's spoof account that he uses to defend himself, and Joel Embiid is even funnier for adding that into his post. So, who is the MVP of the trolls, KD or Joel Embiid? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and shop the Fumble store before you go, and I'll see you soon.